Hi guys, in today's video I would like to talk about search term impression share report. So it's not search term report, it's search term impression share report. And what it does, it gives you an information on what's your actual rank in terms of when you compare to your competitors, and what's the impression share for each single each single search term that you're chasing. Here I want to show you the example. It's a perfect for example that for us for one search term, which is by the way very important, you may be ranked at position number one, which means that there is nobody out there on Amazon in this marketplace who is having better rank than you on this search term. And still, by being number one, you only have 14.42% of impression share. So whatever you do, you can increase the bid, you can change the creative. Whatever you do, you will not be able to take more of the market share for that search term. It's just it, and it gives you also pretty significant information. So don't lose time on that search term. You're finished. That's it. Move on. Now let's select. Now let's select some of the other ones. For example, for this one, you can see that you are position number two. It means there's only a single competitor better than you and who takes more of impression share than you. And this is signals that probably you could bid more on this one, and because currently you're only taking 16.77% of impression share, so by increasing bid, by bidding aggressively, then you can increase your impression share overall, and you can track this day after day and see what is the sweet spot of bid adjustment until you get to the rank number one, before they starting attacking you. Now, you can see also here in the column F, there are a number of campaigns that in different campaigns we are having the same search term appearing. Now, there are many people who will say you don't want to have that because you need to negate and everything, but for this account is a little bit specific, but you need to factor in that we may select this campaign in exact to push for this keyword and get to the position number one. We don't have to increase the bid, of course, in every single campaign, but select one where we think we can nail this specific keyword. That's usually with the sponsor product exact match campaigns. And then there are the opportunities where, obviously the lower the rank, the less impression share you have. So for example, here position number 8, it means there are 7 competitors who are having better search same impression share than you are. So there's an opportunity here to also boost to increase the bids and then grab more of the uh, impression share. This is particularly useful during product launches. The only downside is that this report gets updated with a 2 days lag. At least that was the case the last time I checked. Maybe now the Amazon fixed that, but it's usually 2 days behind. So if you start your product launch today and it's Wednesday, on Friday you will have the data from Wednesday. That's the limitation of it. Maybe through API you can get it faster, but I'm not sure. You can check that. And during the product launch, you can easily see where you're standing with your bid. Are you bidding too low, or you maybe on point? I wouldn't say that you're bidding too high in a product launch, especially if you want it to be aggressive. Then that would be perfectly fine to get position number one as a impression rank, because we'll grab the biggest chunk available, even if that's 80% by being 18% by being first, or 90% by being first. So I encourage you to use it throughout the product launch, because it will give you that fine um, edge over what's happening. So you can adjust the budget just a little bit and bids. So let me know what you think in the comments, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.